Hey guys, how are you? This is Carl with Howell Brothers Lawn and Landscaping, Maryland, DC, and Virginia's premier residential landscape design and build contractor. We can work with you to design and build your beautiful landscape that fits your area and your budget. Our services include landscape design and construction, hardscape installation, patios, walkways, and terraces, in either flagstone, pavers, or other natural stone selections. Retaining walls, built to enclose and decorate garden areas, level steep slopes. Other services include outdoor fireplaces, fire pits, outdoor kitchens and lounge areas, patio covers, arbors, and pergolas, accent lighting, ponds and waterfalls, and complete landscape renovation. If any of these services we could help you with, please reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to give you a price and give you a beautiful design. Thanks for watching our video.